My name is Kenny Hallstone, and I am going to give a talk today on the introduction to Gestalt therapy theory and some of its implications for practice. So this will be the kind of thing that anybody thinking of doing therapy, or anybody who's already doing therapy or studying psychology, you'd find some of this stuff relevant to Gestalt therapy. And we have here Russell Jensen and Sidney Farr. They're our sample. They used to call them patients in the old days, but in Gestalt therapy we call them clients because it's a more horizontal kind of therapy.